Oh yeah, little gauge cluster, all wired up. Got a couple of GM weather pack connectors, two different sizes, so it's kind of keyed. Can't hook it up wrong. And you know, got it all, everything all wired up and hooked up. We got to make a little adapter gauge to get this to bolt in right. It's a little bit slightly different from the factory gauge, but it's generally a factory style gauge with the Autometer American muscle style gauges on it. So we've been doing a little work on the Mustang. We'll take you out and go for a quick spin. All right, we'll do a little driving video in the Mustang. It's kind of overcast and dreary. Let's see. Out here today, and it's been several months since the paint job with the Urichem paint, and you know, she still looks really good. So I got our backup lights in there, and those are working now. We got to put a pressure switch in for the brake light. Don't have any brake lights yet, but we'll get on that. So let's go ahead and take her for a spin. Bear with me on the shaky cam while I open the door here in her rigged up way. This is how you notice we got some wires in it now. Wires going up here. We've got to put the front sheet metal on and get all that wired up. And you see some fenders out here. Had to put those outside because we got paint work going on the inside on the motorcycle. So, and also you see we got some wires in the dash here. And so we got some cleanup work to do. And got, you know, here's our GM plugs for the gauge cluster. All right, let's go for a ride. Get her started up here. Kind of cold outside today. Got gloves on, no windshield. We're in reverse. We're right on the door. Got our little stumble problem fixed. It's coming up on boost, making some boost now, and I haven't really gotten into it too much because I don't really know how rich or lean we are based on, you know, fuel pressure and things like that. So you know, it seems to be pretty peppy, picks up pretty good. All right, we got a little straightaway here. A little off valve noise there. This is a new construction area of our neighborhood. Throwing up a few new houses over here, and man, they're throwing them up quick. Alright, turning back on the turbo cobra road, ghetto side of the